Hello beautiful people, I am back in New York and today I want to do a quick unboxing video. I bought some walking shoes from DSW. Let's see if they're good. So let's open this box together. It's a New Balance sneaker. Originally it was priced at $89, but with the coupons, the discounts, the sales, I was able to get it for $27. I think it's an acceptable price. Let's open it together. Okay, invoice $22, $22.99 actually. $22.99. Okay, there it is. New Balance. It may not be the most visually appealing shoe. Then again, I just need it for the gym. If I go to the treadmill, lift weights, or when I walk. I like to walk a lot. As long as it's comfy, I think, it will do the job for me. Seems comfy. Let's try it. Okay, here we are. Let's see if it's comfortable. Okay, let's do that. One. That's the other one. Okay. Yeah, it seems quite comfortable actually. I think it will do the job pretty well. I think it's a good one. It's a good one for the gym. It's a good one for walking, which is exactly what it's supposed to do. I think I like it. It's good. The initial impression seems positive. The shoe, I think, does what it's supposed to do. Be comfortable for when I walk or when I go to the gym. We cannot ask for more. The price is right. Tomorrow I'm gonna test it and I'll let you know. But yeah, it seems good. I'm satisfied so far. But tomorrow we'll decide.
And that's a wrap, folks. The test was successful. The shoe performed as expected. There's no excuse now for me not to walk or go to the gym. It's a keeper. That's it for now. I shall see you on the next video, and goodbye from New York City.